In today's video, I am going to teach you how to recover deleted sheet in Google Sheets, how to restore a deleted sheet in Google Sheets. If you accidentally deleted a sheet and it seems like it is gone for good, do not worry. In many cases, what was actually deleted is the spreadsheet file in Google Drive, and you can recover it from the trash. Once it is restored, you can open it again in Google Sheets and access the sheet you thought you lost. Start by going to Google Sheets in your web browser. If you are not already signed in, sign in to the Google account that you used when you created or edited the spreadsheet. After you arrive at the Google Sheets homepage, look at the list of your recent spreadsheets. Now, click to highlight the spreadsheet that used to contain the sheet you deleted. Highlighting simply means selecting it so Google knows which file you are working with. If you have a lot of files, take a moment to confirm you have the right one by checking the name and the last modified date, if it is visible. Then click again on the highlighted file area as shown in the interface, so it is clearly selected and ready for the next action. Next, you will move over to Google Drive, because that is where deleted files are stored temporarily. Go to Google Drive and find the Trash section in the left side menu. Click on Trash. This opens the folder where recently deleted items are kept until they are permanently removed. Inside Trash, click on the file you want to bring back so it becomes highlighted. Make sure you select the correct spreadsheet. If you restore the wrong item, it can create confusion later, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. With the correct file selected, click Restore. Google Drive will immediately return the spreadsheet to its original location in Drive, or to a place you can find again under your normal files. After restoring, go back to Google Sheets and open the recovered spreadsheet. Your deleted sheet should be available again within that file. And that is all there is to it.